All right, for this tutorial, we're going to evaluate variable expressions with rational numbers. So we're going to be given a string of rational terms or integers or whole numbers with some variables included. And we're going to plug and chug, so substituting in the variables into the correct place where they go and just reducing all the way down from there. So 20 over c minus 8 minus 9z if c is equal to 5 and z is equal to 7. So the first thing that we're going to do is just plug in 5 for c and z for 7. And from here, we're going to follow our order of operations, PEMDAS. We don't have any parentheses, don't have any exponents. We do have a multiply and divide. At the same time, you can divide before you multiply, and you can multiply before you divide. I'm going to do both at the exact same time. 20 divided by 5 can be reduced to a whole number, and that becomes 4 minus 8. And then we have a negative 9 times a positive 7, which is a negative 63. 4 minus 8, negative 4, minus 63. Negative 4 minus 63, they are the same sign, so we're going to add and keep the sign. Negative 67. All right, for the next one, negative n over 9 minus 9 plus 5h if n is 27 and h is negative 8. So since this term is a negative n, I'm going to keep this negative and only plug in the 27 into the n. So I should still see a negative when that term is being plugged in. Then for the opposite case, so plus 5 times an h, and I'm going to bring the negative in with the h when substituting it in for the variable. Negative 27 over 9 becomes a negative 3. Still following our order of operations, 5 times negative 8 is a negative 40. All three of these things are the same sign, so we're going to add all of these numbers together. I'm still going to do it one step at a time just to show you negative 3 plus a negative 9 is a negative 12. And then you combine that with a negative 40, and you get a negative 52. So still following your order of operations, PEMDAS. In most cases, your fractions will be able to just straight up divide to give you a whole number. If not, then you are going to need to find a common denominator with the other terms in order to add or subtract if you need to from there.